Yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Dinosaur. My favorite dinosaurs. Tyrannosaurus Rex was a dinosaur that ate meat. It hunted many other dinosaur species.
Oh, we already know that.
Okay.
Ouch.
Ooh.
This looks real in a beach.
Yeah.
Adult Tyrannosaurus Rex stood up to 20 feet, 6 meters tall. It
Wade.
weighed about 9 tons, 8
Metric.
metric tons.
That's so heavy. Mm.
Tyrannosaurus
Can you speak louder?
had a large head and tail.
It's strong back.
It says tail, not tails. Its
Legs
strong back
help.
legs help it run up to 25 miles, 40 kilometers per hour, but its short front legs could not reach its mouth.
Ooh, it's too short. You cannot reach
Like
mouth.
this, look.
What mouth?
Oh, the mouth.
I mean, short.
Like this, look.
Short.
Yeah, the
It
front.
cannot brush his teeth.
Yeah, he cannot put food in his mouth, so
So he
he
does
really
his
needs to use his mouth.
Like, don't use his hands.
Yeah, to reach it.
It does like this. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
And mommy,
Ah.
what short front legs? This is this.
Yeah, these are the. Oh, yeah, these are the two front legs. That's too small, and then the back legs. That's funny,
No, this was its arms.
Yeah,
But it's not its arms.
it's his legs. Yeah. Okay, louder, huh?
Tyrannosaurus Rex was a dinosaur
Carnivore.
carnivore. It hunted other dinosaurs it could eat. 50
500.
pounds.
230
kilograms of meat in one bite.
What? That's a lot.
What?
Mm.
Tyrannosaurus Rex teeth were cone-shaped. The teeth could grab and bite prey. Strong jaws crushed bones.
Mm. I don't want to be eaten by that.
It does not exist anymore.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Tyrannosaurus Rex lived about
70
70 million years
ago.
It lived in western North America. Scientists think Tyrannosaurus Rex moved to different places.
Mm.
Found in South Tyrannosaurus Rex bones in
Montana.
Montana. The Tyrannosaurus Rex footprint was found in New Mexico. It was 44 inches,
6
86
centimeters.
centimeters long.
Yeah. Okay. Can you talk louder, huh?
And this tank this species
Hunted
in
packs.
Louder.
the fast young dinosaur chase prey until adults killed it when they caught up.
What? I don't understand.
Like so, the adult helps its baby.
Yeah.
For a really long time, I thought that was the arm.
Oh, that's it.
Bye-bye.
Thank you
But
for
there's
watching.
still more. See?